Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bell and welcome to the section about brain development. In this section we're going to learn all about how the brain develops, the processes it goes through, and the regions of the brain, and how to form synapses or connections. So why should you learn about brain development? You're not neurosurgeons. Well, it's important for you as teachers to know about brain development so that you can match your teaching styles and your environment to how the brain develops for the age of the child that you serve. Now, this is really important because if you match brain development and understand brain development, then the children are going to have a better time learning in the classroom with you. Now, did you know that you were born with only 100 billion neurons? Well, 100 billion, that's kind of a lot, but you don't get any more. So, next time you're thinking about doing drugs, better not. The other thing that you need to know is that in this module, or this section, there are two videos, and they're pretty long. They're 1 hour each. So I want you to prepare for that, but I do want you to watch them. They're called The Secrets of the Brain, or Secret Life of the Brain. And there's one on babies and one on children. So they're already in your module. You need to watch them. And then there are a couple of websites to explore. And you're going to get to tinker around with the areas of the brain. As a teacher of young children, you need to know what the areas of the brain are, what they're responsible for, and how to function to optimize brain development. The big thing about brain development is realizing that there are these windows of opportunity that children have. That these are sensitive periods. It's interesting because Montessori knew about these things way, way, way long ago, over 100 years ago. And we didn't have any science about it back then. She just observed children for a long time and knew that that's what was happening. But there are these times or sensitive periods where children are more likely to learn something more easily, and that's directly related to brain development. You're going to learn about neurotransmitters, which are hormones. Really, our entire life is just one big hormone fest. So being happy, feeling in love, remembering something, all of those are caused by electrochemical charges in the brain where hormones go and talk to other hormones and it creates a reaction. So it's important for you to know that, for example, cortisol is a stress hormone, and when children are upset, they're flooded with cortisol, so they can't think clearly. Upset children can't think at all, and that's just brain science. So you need to know how the brain works. And remember, in the words of Jack Black from School of Rock, you need to know about your head and your mind and your brain.